Hey guys, welcome to like my best unboxing video ever. This will probably be the biggest unboxing I've ever done. I'm gonna try to get through it in one video. Also because I really want to play with everything right now. Alright, ready? This is so fun. Oh, sorry about the noise. I still don't have my RV plug to plug into a full 30 amp, so I don't have my AC on, so there's a fan because it's like 100 in here right now today. Anyway, actually it's not that hot, it's just humid. Let's start this one. First up, ooh, so this is a microphone. I think it was $30 and it's USB. It plugs into your computer. It has really good reviews. I got this because we also do videos for the track and stuff and need to do voiceovers. This had like 20,000 good reviews. I want to see what it looks like. Hold on. And it was cheap too, like 30 bucks. Oh, hold on. Oh, dropping stuff. I don't know if I'll even be able to see it. Yeah. Look at that. It's like so professional. I can't wait. What did I drop? Oh, 2-year warranty. Okay. Cool. Dumping stuff. Alright, what should we do? Left or right? We'll do left. This, I think I know what this is. Alright, who wants to bet I slice something with this razor at some point? I've done it before. I had a 50-pound dog food bag and I was opening it and sliced through like right through the middle. It was not fun. Ooh. So this is another reason I haven't slept out here. I don't have any sheets or anything. So this is a down alternative comforter. I can never remember prices, so I'll put it in the video. Moving on. Maybe I'll get through them all. This is so fun. Box in a box. All right. Let's see. Oh, okay. Well, look, this has the price right on it. Vier 300 portable air compressor, 144 plus tax, 155. This thing. Let me just pull it closer to me. Oh my God, it's heavy. Yeah, that's all that's in that box. So this, well actually I don't have to open it. This is like everybody said is a must-have for any type of RV. You hook it up to your truck battery or whatever you're towing with, and you can fill all of your trailer tires or truck tires. And it's got, I don't know if it says anywhere, a super long hose, so it reaches even if you have like F450 dually or something, it'll still reach all your trailer tires. So this was the brand that was like highly recommended. There's cheaper ones, but I'm like, no, I'm gonna go with what they recommend. So that's wicked fun. All right, box number 1002. Just kidding. I keep bumping this table too, sorry. Alright. A million of these. Oh, there's lots of stuff in here. This is so fun. Alright. First up, command hooks. I feel like I can never have enough of these. Towels, whatever. I'll put the price in the video. digital multimeter, which I'm not proficient in multimeter lingo, or I probably need a lesson how to use this, but I definitely need to. Everybody's like, you have to be able to measure voltage and stuff. Like in an RV, you have to be able to troubleshoot. This was cheap too, 20 bucks maybe. Okay, this is not for RV stuff, but apparently it's in here. Okay, these are like the best granola bars in the world. They're chewy, so they don't get crumbs everywhere like Nature Valley. This is like $3. So yeah, whatever. It's nothing to do with RVs. Surprise, surprise. Fuse kit, full size and minis. Everybody said you have to have these on hand. Yeah, so this was cheap too. I guess it's not cheap when you add it all up, but whatever. Let's see. This, I think. Did I cut it? Nope. There we go. Whew. Spare tire cover. So my travel trailer has a spare tire on the back. And it's just in the sun all the time. So I just got a plain one. Like, this was... I'll put the price. I'm not even going to say, like, what I think it was, because I never know. They have, like, fancy tire covers. I got a plain one because I'm boring, so... Ooh, these are cool. So on the back bumper, I'll put a picture in the video. It looks like this. People often put their sewer hose in there, but then you gotta like touch it and get it out and it's gross. So this one has like clips to hold the hose. That's awesome. Yeah. I forget how much this was. Another command strip. I don't know why I got black and silver. Maybe this one's for the bathroom. This was a couple bucks. Yeah. What else? Oh, okay. This was like $5. I don't know if I'm going to use this. It's like stickable wallpaper. So what this is for, see if I can like pan without ruining this. See how they're like the wall on the slide? I saw someone online do like a wood pattern there and it looked so cute and like homey, so I might do that. Now that I see it, I probably won't. Craft project for another day, but it'd be so fun. I love adding my own touch in here. Actually, you can see over here, I did that backsplash in a Subway tile peel and stick. It looks awesome. Didn't get a video of that because honestly, I hate being on camera. So, all right, next. What is this? Oh. This I'll also need a lesson on. A PEX crimping tool and cutter and some 1/2 inch and 3/4, I think I only need 1/2 inch clamps. All the plumbing in an RV is PEX and they're like, you have to have one of these. Which I don't know how to use this, but at least I'll have it. I think this was $30 something, so it's kind of heavy. That's a must, I was told. All right, last item in this box, sheets. So these, I like white sheets because I can bleach them. Are they soft? Yeah. Because, you know, germs, whatever. And when you do get sheets for an RV, make sure you get short queen, not regular queen. So, cool. I forget how much these were, of course. Alright. Maybe we'll get through them all. What do you think? Should I do the other side next time? Let's keep going. Let's see. There's two in here. I don't know if you can see. I don't remember what this is. Camco. So Camco, you've probably seen that in a lot of boxes. They do just like all RV stuff. What? Oh, okay. I know what this is. So this is for, like if you're plugged in at a campsite or something and your sewer hose is just out all the time, it's called a Sidewinder. See a picture. Anyway, what it does is prevents makes like an angle so the sewer hose isn't just like flat on the ground. So stuff's actually draining. Actually, you can kind of see it right here. See like how it gets longer and then shorter. So that's cool. There's like boxes everywhere over here. Such a mess. Okay. Last but not least in this box. What is this? Oh, okay. It's heavy. This is trailer aid. So supposedly you drive up one of your, because I have dual axles on here, you can kind of see right there, to change your flat tire. Now some people did say that this still isn't high enough, so I might get, like they say, a 2x8 pressure treated piece of wood or something to also put under this to gain a little bit more height. I'm probably also gonna do like some kind of bottle jack, just in case, so I have both options. And this was, I forget how much. Why do I even say how much it is anymore? I don't remember. All right, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.